Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use Printify to make money and how to make money with Printify. So first of all, when you sign up to Printify, you of course want to go to your stores and you want to connect your store to Etsy, Shopify, or any other channels, sales channels, marketplaces where you want to sell your product. After that, when you connect one of these stores, you of course need to create a product. So first of all, of course, you have to do some research what is selling and what is not, but if you already have in mind what you want to sell, and all you need to do is make a design and upload it to Printify and upload it to your store. So we're going to talk about that today. Basically, you go to catalog or to Printify, you choose what kind of product you want to sell. So for example, for today, we're going to go and see some men's clothing and t-shirts. We're going to sell some t-shirts, and I'm going to choose maybe one of the best sellers. It's a unisex ultra cotton t-shirt, and yeah, after that you're just gonna choose the start designing, and I want to go here because I need to see the print file requirements. And the print file requirements are that it has to be PNG, JPEG or SVG file, and the print area size is 4,200 pixels times 4,800. So that's what I needed to know, because now when I want to create a design, I'm gonna go to Canva and I'm gonna click on create design custom size. And I'm gonna write down those pixels to create a good size for 2 and 4.8, and click on create design. So that's my area which fits this t-shirt, this print size area. So now to create a design, of course, you can draw it yourself, you can use your imagination and create the product you want, but I will use Create the Fabrica today because they actually have illustrations which are for print on demand and which you can resell, maybe add something authentic of yours. So for example, now it's Halloween, so I'm gonna choose a Halloween illustration. Maybe I will find something here, and we're gonna create some beautiful designs. You can see they have all the stickers and all of the illustrations and so on. But now if you would like to use Create Fabrica, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below, but you want to click on special license print on demand, and now you're gonna see the illustrations which you can use for the design. So now I'm gonna go to, for example, this one, watercolor a spooky Halloween illustration, and I'm gonna download it. As you can see, they have commercial and POD usage allowed. Now I'm gonna go back to Canva and I'm gonna upload those illustrations here and create some design. So most of the designs have already uploaded, so I'm gonna just create quickly some type of design to put on the t-shirt. You can create whatever you want, of course, and use some something from Canva also. And that's that. I'm just gonna download it as PNG. And now I'm gonna upload it to Printify. And the design has uploaded, and it automatically gets to the printing area. So as you can see, you can also change the position. You can create some patterns and so on. For example, like this one. But basically, I'm not gonna do that. You can also select some colors of the t-shirts. But as I did a white background, I'm just gonna leave it as white. And I have to uncheck it. So I'm just gonna make it like that. Now I'm gonna save the product. And here you can see some mockups which you can use for your store. So for example, if you have an Etsy store and you connected your Etsy store to Printify, this image will appear on your Etsy store listing photos. Also, you will write here a listing details product description. So you're gonna write down the description, the title of this t-shirt. So for example, something like that. Now about the description, you're gonna go to, for example, other sellers on Etsy or some other store, and you will see what they are writing. But of course you need to, I would suggest to write these features here, because they are really important. The people will see that it's 100% cotton and so on. So when you write the description, I'm not gonna do that today, but you need to look at some other sellers and at the products you are selling. It depends on that. And also now you can choose some variants. So now you're gonna choose the sizes, and after that you're gonna basically, when your store will be connected, you're gonna click on publish, and that's basically it. That's how you will post it to your store. And if you did a good keyword research, you can make money with Printify, with the help of the Printify, because they will print it and ship it to your customers. So that's for today's video, guys. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and